CQ 14 Echo Tango 169. CQ 14 Echo Tango 169. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA calling CQ. QSL, very good. Q5 signal, 5x7 there, Airy. The personal name on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. We're located in the state of Tennessee, USA, North America there, QSL. QSL, the name on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. The name is Ken, personal name is Ken, Kilo Echo November, QSL. Hey, QSL, very good, area, sounding good there. Got 5x7 signal here in the USA this morning. Very good. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson. I'm sorry. I had some ground noise come in there. I had President Jackson with the Antron 99, about 25 feet in the air area. Ken, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, back to you. QSL, very good. Well, it's doing you an excellent job. Harry. You're definitely making a real good trip over here in the state of Tennessee. We're located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City, Tennessee. Located in the state of Tennessee there, Harry. Ken, back to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, for the Tennessee, no problem. Very, very good for the propagation for tuning for the
QSL, Larry. Well, I'll tell you what, there sound like you're having some good weather over there. We've started getting fall weather here. We having really good nights, really cool nights. We had a pretty hot summer, and we're looking like we're going to be getting in the winter time pretty soon. And hope the conditions there, when the poles change there, we'll be able to have some really good conditions there. Microphone back to you, sir. You're very welcome. You came in there real strong that time, and Mother Nature has been good to us. I want to send all the good numbers from my house to yours, and it's been a pleasure on this end area. 14 Echo Tango 169. Take care. It's been a pleasure on this end making a contact. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, Tennessee, USA, North America. We thank you, Eric.